Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rashi and today we're gonna be doing a party look. So December is my birthday month, but of course there was no celebration, no party, no friends, nothing happened. But yes, makeup did happen. It happens throughout the year with me. So I tried creating these glitter liner eyes. Honestly, I'm not a fan of glitter liner guys, but being a creator, you're always like keep trying, maybe one day, and then you kind of fall in love with things and tell yourself, why didn't I do this before? So today was one such day when I thought, okay, let me do a glitter liner for a change and see how it looks on me. Now that is something that you can tell me. Again, I like how they look, but I'm still not sure how they suit me. So you have to tell me that at the end in the comment section below, and tell me if I've done a good job, and if you think I've made it easy for you to do it too. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, find me on Instagram, Rashi Sopti Makeup, and now let's start this video. Prep my skin with a good face oil guys, and make sure that you do the same. Dry skin is a curse for makeup, and since it's winters, if you're somebody who gets dry skin, make sure you have applied good amount of moisturizer 15 minutes before your makeup. So since I'm playing again with very dark colors, which is like black, silver, and a contrasting shade on my crease, I am going to start with my eyes first. Base se abhi panga nahi lenge, because if that black or that silver drops on your base and you don't know how to clean it properly, there are good chances that you're going to swipe it on your base and it cannot be rectified that easily. So let's start with the eyes. I'm going to apply concealer on my eyes as a primer. I'm just setting my base, the eye base, with a loose powder, and you can do it with a compact as well. I'm using my Anastasia palette, the Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Noir. This is the black that I'm going to be using and covering my entire lid with it. I'm not going to take it too much on the crease, but just like properly covered the lid. Moving on to the crease, I am going to be using these yellow shades from this palette. This is Color Fusion by Beauty Glazed, and you can take any yellow that you like. I'll just probably mix these two and get like a very bright yellow. You can use any color that you like. You can actually use a green, blue, purple, anything that you feel like, probably any shade that you have in your dress. You can just select any. But since I'm just wearing black and silver, I'm just going to add a contrast of yellow to it. So what I'm doing right now is I'm applying enough yellow on the crease, making it as dark as possible, and just trying to lighten the edges of the black, and to show that it is blending. There's like a proper blending happening between both the shades. I'm just going to take that same shade जिसके साथ मैंने black किया था, and then just going to try merging it. Now I'm going to take that brush with which I had used the black, and again I'm going to try blending in both the colors. And take some black again and then try blending it. So black is obviously 100 times darker color than yellow. It can take over yellow anytime. So you have to make sure that you do not take too much black, too much product, and try just working with the product that is there on the brush. Also keep your hand very light. Do not put in a lot of pressure. With light hand, you can always achieve better blending. Now once the blending is done, you will notice that there is a tinge of green that can be seen, but that's very natural. जब भी black and yellow मिलते हैं, they do give a hint of green, and it will come across very, very prominent at times. So what you have to make sure is that your black is dark and your yellow is bright, and that merging in between will give a tinge of green, but that's absolutely natural. It's now time to do my silver eyeliner, and for that I'm going to use a liquid eyeshadow in silver. I have two of them here, from Morphe and from Forever 52. These are some beautiful silver shades. If you want, there are actually proper silver eyeliners also available in the market, but I have these two, so I'm just going to play with them, and I'll just use a very thin eyeliner brush, and that is going to help me achieve the liner that I want. It's time to do my mascara and apply false lashes. And I think once the false lashes are up, तो ये थोड़ा और better लगेगा. Time now for eyebrows. My false lashes are up, and I think that you can never judge at least my eye makeup without doing the brows, because this looks very odd, yaar, without the brows. I look extremely funny without doing my brows. So my eyelid work is almost done. In fact, it's actually done. We're going to move towards the face, and I'm going to start with a primer. I'm going to use the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer to prep my face. For concealer, I'm using my Dermacolor Camouflage Cream by Kryolan, and the two shades that I'm going to use for concealing is first DFD to hide all the pigmentation and the darkness or the acne marks that I have. And the concealing is amazing. The coverage is for foundation, I'm going to be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Maximum Cover Foundation, guys. My shade is Rattan, and it is a very high coverage foundation. So this foundation is something like a clear definition of little goes a long way. I had probably just taken like little lesser than a pea size pump, and you can see the amount of coverage it has given me. I absolutely love this foundation. So I am going to highlight my under eye area. For that, I'm using a light color shade 120 from Maybelline Age Rewind. I'm going to let this under eyes area set and bake. So for that, I'm using my loose powder again. This is Makeup Revolution ka banana powder, and I'm just going to dab a little under the eyes, and I'll just let it sit for like say 5 minutes or so. For the rest of the base to set, I'm just going to dab this loose powder all over my face. For contouring today, I'm going to be using a different product, guys. Of lately, I've done some reading, and I found that when you have to do contouring, basically you should try doing it with a cool tone powder. And we normally use bronzers to do that. Now bronzers are basically to give you that warm effect, to add that warmth or give you that tan look. If your makeup is too pale and if you want to add some warmth to it. So that is why you use bronzers. And there are powders like bronzers again, which are specifically for contouring. They are actually called sculpting powders, and they have cool tone in it. So they are only used for this purpose. What I'm using today is Kevyn Aucoin's sculpting powder. I've had it for very long, but I don't know why I never used it. This is in the shade medium. I'm now going to get rid of the excess powder, and I'm hoping that this baking will give me the desired results. So let's finish our eye makeup. I'm now going to take a kajal and I'm going to smudge it under my lower lashes, and then I'm just going to add in a little bit of yellow, the kind of effect that I have tried giving on my crease. That's the same thing I'm going to try doing under my eyes as well, and then just the mascara, and done. Moving on to highlighter, I'm taking the MAC Soft and Gentle, and I'm just going to highlight the high points of my face, that is my cheekbones. For blush, I'm using Dolly Mix from MAC Cosmetics. And for my lipstick, I'm going to wear Gulabi by Smashbox Cosmetics. So that's glitter on my eyes, guys, like glitter liner, literally. I'm not very sure if I'm gonna wear it too often. I like it, but I like it more on others. But if it's looking good on me, please do let me know in the comment section below. Find me on Instagram, Rashi Sopti Makeup. We've been having a lot of giveaways off lately. My birthday giveaway just got over today, but I have 2 more giveaways coming up on Christmas and New Year's. So make sure you find me, Rashi Sopti Makeup. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and come back very, very soon because we've got lots more coming up.